Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tip video. I just changed the control arms in my Honda Pilot a couple weeks ago probably. I just wanted to give you a couple quick tips on how I got these installed, because that's not an easy job. Basically the control arm goes in like this. There's the, I'll call it the short straight piece, goes towards the front, and the long piece goes towards the back, and they have the bushings in them, and this is the ball joint which connects to your knuckle. When you install these and you try to get them in place, it's very, very difficult. So what I did is I got that one in first and got the bolt started, and that's the rear one, and that's this one right here. Once you get that in and you get the bolt started, you can wiggle the other two sides into place. When I first installed it, I installed this one first, which is straight back behind the wheel, and I could never get the bolt to line up to go through this one. It was just all bent out of shape and just wouldn't go in. So quick tip, how to get it in first: put your back one in first, put the bolt in, get it started, get it to hold it in place, then you can maneuver these two into place and get those connected. But that's how I did mine. A lot of frustrating work to figure that out, but I got it figured out. And that's how I did it. And now it's much more tighter on the front end, and everything's much better. But anyway, that's all we have for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you next time. Oh, and one other thing, today we're wearing the Timex Ironman Blackout Rugged. If you're into watches, check out the playlist on my channel, Wristwatch Wednesday. We do those every Wednesday. Anyway, see you guys. Have a great weekend.